Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday gift guide. Christmas is right around the corner and I figured I would give y'all some ideas of what to give that woman in your life. So with that being said, I hope y'all like these ideas, and if y'all do, make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel because I will be doing more videos, more home style videos and more makeup videos. So with that being said, let's hop into the video and I hope y'all enjoy. I am going to start off by this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna little duo set. It comes with a highlighter and a lip gloss. Fenty is very popular at the moment, and they do have this one and they have the first one. So they have the Bombay 2 and the Bombay 1. I do recommend the Bombay 2. The highlighter kind of looks a little bit more golden, rose golden, and it's a beautiful highlight. And the lip gloss, I mean, it's everything. It's to die for. Her lip glosses are the best lip glosses, I would say. They're not sticky, they're not gooey, they just give you that perfect wet look to your lips. So that's what this one looks like, and I believe it ranges from, I think it's either 24 or 25 bucks. So it is a good stocking stuffer or just a regular gift to somebody. This other one is a skincare set. I decided to incorporate a little bit of skincare because skincare is that one thing that you kind of do not enjoy buying for yourself. It can sometimes be expensive and it's not something that you get super excited about. I do, but I know certain women don't like indulging or spending on skincare. So this one is a little mask set. It's wonderful. Glow Recipe is also trending at the moment. They have this, I've only tried this one and it is amazing. It makes my skin look super plumped in the morning, and that's what this trio looks like. It is $29, I believe. It's not the full size one, but you do get two of a good size amount of the two masks that they came out with. I know this one, I don't think it's sold individually now, but it is in this little duo thing. So if y'all would like to give somebody some skincare, this is a perfect little set. And there is different kinds of set at Sephora and Ulta at the moment, so it doesn't have to be these. You can just go in Ulta and ask one of the beauty associates to kind of help you know or help you or guide you into knowing what to get for that certain somebody. So this is perfect, but they have a lot more. Now this is another set that is an awesome set. I got it at Sephora. All of these sets I got at Sephora. I don't know if Ulta carries them, I don't think so. But this is the Laneige or Laneige lip sleeping mask, and it is a wonderful lip sleeping mask. I have been using it for a while now. It's been a couple of weeks, and I have honestly seen a difference in my lips being hydrated in the morning. They don't feel as chapped as usual. So now that we are going into the winter, I know for a fact that most of us do get chapped lips, and this is a wonderful little stocking stuffer. You can break it up if you have different women in your life and just do a stocking stuffers, or you can just give it all to somebody. This individually, I believe, is $18, and then this little set with the new lip sleeping masks is $29. So it is a little bit more of an expensive lip sleeping mask, but once you try it, you can't live without it. Now to keep going on with the skincare, this is an expensive hydrating moisturizer. It is really expensive, but it is worth every single dime. I have seen a huge improvement in my skin by using this. It is a day and night moisturizer. It's by Lancome, and it is the soft cream absolute moisturizer, and my skin feels super plumped. It's helped with my texture on my skin. And if you have oily skin, because I have gone through dry skin and oily skin, it has worked for both types of it does have roses, so if you are allergic to roses, I would stay away from this. But if you're not allergic to roses or the rose extract they use is incredible in this. So yep, that's what it looks like. I know that y'all can't really see it, but it does say Lancome Absolute, and it's the soft cream, not the rich cream. If you would like to give a piece of jewelry to somebody, these two pieces are awesome. You kind of see if the person likes gold or silver or rose gold. That way you know exactly, not exactly what to get, but at least you know what color theme to stick on. This is the rose gold one. It is a beautiful little necklace. It has the white stone on it, and it is so beautiful. I have had it for a while and I do use it occasionally. It's super cute. I have a lot of different colors of these because down here in the South, I don't know if it's everywhere. It's very, very popular. And this is another bracelet. This is the gold one. I do have a rose gold one and it is really beautiful. I feel like bracelets last longer than the necklace because you don't wear them very often. I don't know, for some reason I feel like they're more sturdy than the necklace, but they're both a wonderful piece of option. Now for fragrance can be a little bit complicated because you have to know the person and what kind of scents they like, but these are 3 of my favorite fragrances and I'm going to start by my favorite one. I have gone through at least like 4 or 5 bottles of Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. It is a wonderful fragrance. I feel like women have to own this at least once in their lifetime. It is a beautiful, beautiful bottle. I love the rose gold theme to it. It's very known. I've even seen like drawings and pictures of them hung up in walls and things like that. So it is a very popular one by Chanel and I really recommend this. This is not, I do not know how to describe the scent. It's just very soft. It's not overpowering, but it will last a long time on you. I've gotten to the point where I don't really smell it on me anymore, but it is my signature scent. I love it. It's wonderful. Another scent that is awesome is, and it's new, it's by YSL. It's the Mon Paris and it's the one with the velvet bow tie. It is a beautiful, fresh scent. It kind of has a little bit of sweetness to it, but it's not overpowering. It's sweet, but fresh. It won't, none of these fragrances kind of make me throw up when I get in the car and start driving. They don't give me car sick or anything like that because I'm very known to being car sick with different fragrances and none of these do. They're soft, but not like strong. Another one is Idole by Lancome. It is a wonderful floral scent. So it's different from the other 2 because I feel like the other 2 are not very florally, but this one definitely stands out with the floral, but it's not strong. You won't feel like it's gonna give you a headache. I know that a lot of vanilla floral scents kind of do that. This one doesn't. It is a beautiful scent. I love the bottle. It does not sit on the cabinet. It kind of lays on it because it is known to be the thinnest bottle in the world. So they're just more warmer, softer, more mature scents. Candles are that perfect thing to be able to gift to somebody, especially during the holidays. I feel like this one is a very popular one. It's mahogany teak wood. It's the intense one. It's a very masculine scent. It smells like cologne, but I love that scent. It's very clean. It's very hot and sexy. So yep, it smells so good. I already went through this one, but I have another one over there that I'm burning at the moment and I love it. It smells super good, but if y'all do not like that masculine scent, y'all can go with this. I know that Bath & Body Works carries a lot of sweet scent, so candles are a perfect thing to give to that loved one. On to the most expensive item that I have is the Dyson blow dryer. This is a perfect gift idea if you're wanting to splurge, like really splurge on somebody, is this, or even if you're wanting to get it for yourself. I recommend it. I 100% recommend this. It is so wonderful, and I know that I've been saying so wonderful to every product that I have, but it's whatever. I love everything that I just mentioned. So this is so perfect because it's gonna smooth out your hair. It's gonna blow dry it in a less time than the regular blow dryer does. I take it everywhere I go because I cannot use a hotel blow dryer. I just can't go back to a regular dryer, period. Once you start using this in your life, I feel like you just can't go wrong. I did get this initially for my clients, but I use it on myself. I use it on them. 100% recommend. It is beautiful. It's wonderful. It's everything that you want in a blow dryer. I don't think there's a better blow dryer out there. I mean, if there is, I feel like this one still beats it. It's good, so good. It's so ridiculously expensive, I know, but it is so worth it. It's definitely something you want to gift to yourself, or if you're wanting to splurge on somebody, like really splurge on somebody, I would recommend it 100%. So yep, favorite thing. I feel like it's my favorite thing. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope I gave y'all a couple of ideas to give to that person, that woman in your life. Even if it's a man, that candle is perfect. I don't know if I'll be doing a man version of these, but we'll see. Keep y'all posted on that. But I do recommend all of these. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave a message under there of what y'all want me to film. What is it that y'all want to see from me? So please let me know. With that being said, thank you so much. Have a blessed day.